Hello, I'm Richard from the Soap Kitchen, and we're going to show you how to make a simple, light face cream. This face cream is suitable for most skin types. It uses Olivem 1000 as its sole emulsifier, which is peg-free, and it provides a very deep moisturising effect without any soapy effect, with excellent spreadability. Okay, so this is a two-stage recipe. For phase A, we're going to need 5 ml of glycerine, 140 ml of, in this case, orange flower water. You could choose to use any flower water or indeed plain water. 20 ml sweet almond oil, 8 grams of Olivem 1000, this is the emulsifier, 10 grams of shea butter, and 5 ml of vitamin E, the pure vitamin E, pourable variety. Then for the next phase, you're going to need 4 ml of evening primrose oil. Optional, you've got essential oil, just 1 ml, and preservative, Phenoxyethanol, again 1 milliliter. You're also going to need some suitable jars with screw top lids. Then for your utensils, we've got weighing scales, measuring spoons. You're probably going to find it useful to have some graduated pipettes, thermometer, saucepan, heatproof measuring jug, and a stick blender.